going to show you how to make a Pygmy Puff hair clip. So I've just got a basic hair clip blank and I have made 2 pom-poms. I did go into detail of how to make the pom-poms in my Pygmy Puff pet video, if you'd like to see the details on those, or just follow any basic online instructions. So all I'm going to do is add some googly eyes to make them look like Pygmy Puffs. I'm just using Tarzan's grip for the glue, or you could use hot glue as well. Make sure when you make your pom-poms you leave quite a bit of the string behind. Now to start with on the clip, I'm just going to put a row of purple ribbon just to hide the clip. So I've just got basic purple ribbon here. I just need to tuck that under. When you're gluing your ribbon on, just be careful not to interfere with the mechanism. And then all we're going to do is tie our little pet Pygmy Puffs to the top. So all you need to do is thread the wool under where the clip goes. Don't worry about the excess wool, we will cut it off when we're finished. And just a very simple granny knot to hold the Pygmy Puff in place. And then cut off your excess wool. And then all you want to do is just put a little bit of glue on either edge of where you want the Pygmy Puff to sit once you've tied him on. So just like that, and then hold your little Pygmy Puff in place while the glue dries. It only takes a few minutes to set. Once that one's bonded enough, just run a line of glue along the bottom. So just all the way along where your Pygmy Puff is sitting, and press it down. And then follow the same procedure for attaching the second Pygmy Puff. Once you've got your second Pygmy Puff tied on, just go ahead and put glue across the base of that one as well. And that's that one finished. Now, because we've used Tarzan grip, it takes 24 hours to fully set, so please don't put it in your hair until the glue has fully cured. So 24 hours and they will be fully stuck on there and it'll all be good. Thank you for watching today. If you've enjoyed our video, please subscribe.